You go throw water.
We're running low on battery.
Yeah.
You're getting serious if you're bringing the bottles, Kierley.
You gonna put the bottles in that water? No, don't drink it, Kiri. No.
Kierley, yeah.
You can fill it up though. You fill up your bottle?
Yes.
That is my bottle.
No,
Kierley, don't drink it, honey. We don't drink water we sat in. That's good fun right there. Kiki, can you throw more water at the kitty? With the cup?
Kiri, use a cup, throw water at Kitty?
No.
Okay, that's all there, is it?